Hello traders, my name is Ivan and today I'm gonna be showing you how we do our analysis at Trejduj and where to look in the market for next week. Intro. Okay, we are in charts now and I picked the three pairs we are keeping an eye for trades for next week. So the first is AUDCHFs, Great British Pound and Australian dollar and CAD. Let's start with AUDCHF. So we will start on a 1 day time frame, so daily time frame, and we are going to do a top-down analysis, which means we are going from the higher time frames for the lower time frames and setting up for trades. So let's start on 1 day. We can see the last peak was here, so I'm gonna draw a horizontal line on this level, and we can say this level was confirmed as a resistance because we had a drop down from that level, and so we are going to look for a sell on this pair. So let's go for a 4-hour time frame and go to the most latest data, and we can say this is a trend line, because if you look at on the data points, you can see the touch here, touch here, touch here. The market was trending, hit the resistance above, confirmed it, and we are looking at the break and the retest of the trend line, which means we are looking for sell. So now we need to set up our sell on here. So we are going to one step down to 1 hour time frame, and if we look at like this, we are gonna be selling this pair on these 2 wicks. The Monday matters because the pair could shoot up on Monday or could shoot down on Monday. So we need to set our trading plan and how we will trade this pair. So let's pin it here and let's pin it here. And what I'm thinking about is the 2 possible ways the Monday will bring us is this move and test the resistance, or we can drop down, and if we drop down, I will be looking for a retest of this zone and selling here, or if this will be a push, I will be looking for breaking this zone and selling around here. So let's delete those. Let's delete those rows and let's set up our trades. So we are going to be selling, so we will pick a short position and I will place it here, and the second I will place it also in here. So let's zoom by this one. So our stop loss on this break will be higher than these 3 lows, highs. So we can go for 30 pips, and we are looking for a 1-to-1 or 1-to-5 risk ratio. So I'm gonna be drawing it down. So let's go for 1.5 risk to reward ratio, and also the second one, on a second break, I will be trading 1 to 5 risk ratio. So this is for me on AUDCHF. We can sit back and watch what Monday will bring us, and those take profit levels are set correctly because we are setting it on a low points of a previous trend, so it could be possible. So we are waiting for a break and retest, and then we will sell, or on this line or on this line. So let's continue. And the second pair is GBPAUD. So Great British Pound, Australian Dollar. Let's check those up. And let's start from 1 day time frame, so daily time frame. And what can we see here? We can see, let's zoom it out a little bit. Okay. It was a great peak. This was an uptrend, it was a downtrend, so we are like kinda waving this out. So from the bottom we can say we hit a resistance recently. So I'm gonna mark this up. So we hit a resistance. This resistance is wide because you can see those swing lows here, 1, 2, 3, and the price is really spread up on this one. It's like 185 pips retesting the zone, so it's a really wide zone. We hit it slightly with this pair, and what we're looking for is a trend line now. We're looking at the most recent data, and I'm gonna be drawing the trend line here. So let's correct those stops. And we can see the downtrending trend line, first hit, second, third, fourth, and we hit the resistance from the bottom, and we broke the trend line. So this is assuming that we may possibly go higher because we hit a strong resistance where the most buyers would put their positions and pending positions to buy. So this is the push from those buyers. So we broke the trend line, and we can move down on a 4-hour time frame. So on 4-hour time frame, we retested this trend line, and I'm looking at those two tops. These are tweezers, and it's candlestick pattern, which is good because we retested after it. And I'm looking at this level right now. I'm looking at this level, and if we will go higher and retest this level, I will be bullish, and we will go for a long position on this one. So let's confirm this level. Yeah, okay, it was hit. So it looks like it's a strong level, and if we gonna break it on this pair, it may be possible we will shoot to higher prices. So in here I'm looking for a break and retest. It could happen in two ways, and the first is we will shoot up and never look back, or we will go step by step, and in some point we will turn back down and it will go step by step by step by step, and from there it will shoot up. So I'm a retest trader, and we like to confirm our trades by retests, and we are don't catching falling knives and shooting trends like crazy. So we are more safe traders and risking 1 to 3% per trade, so we don't get emotional. So we are waiting for a retest now, but it's up to you. It's up to you if you are waiting for retest or you are a breakout trader. So I'll be setting a buy position if we break this. So we are going for a long position, and if we go break and retest, I will put my stop loss below these 2 wicks. So let's give it a space, and I will go with 65 pips stop loss, and I will be looking for 1 to 5 risk ratio again. And let's check how this looks like on a bigger picture. So this take profit is way too high. I will be doing these wicks, so let's arrange it. So this is such a risky position because we haven't got a higher risk reward ratio, but we can scale it up. Scale it up, and if we break this one and retest this one, we can go and scale our trade for a higher price. So we will see how this played out on Monday, and this is what I'm looking for on this pair. So, and the last pair, we will go for AUDCAD. So let's go for top down analysis again. So what we have? Okay, we can see the most recent data. So we have a sort of a trend line here, and it's looking like a strong trend, right? So there are 2 things possible. Monday will bring us a buy, or Monday will bring us a sell. So let's make a plan for this trade. I will go for a lower time frame. Or I'm gonna switch back. Okay. So this is an interesting level. This is an interesting level for a price. I'm gonna mark it up. Because, as you can see, it was first hit, second, third, breakout, retest. So we confirmed this price, and this price is laying on a round number, which is 0.96600. So that means it's a fundamental level where the most trades are placed. I can go with 0.0, I will go with 0.5. But round numbers is strong numbers, remember that. So we broke it up. Probably this trend line wouldn't be confirmed again. So I'm gonna be looking for a buy on this level. But let's say now we said we are looking on a buy here, but let's take an advantage and let's assume that the market want to go down to look back and check the level again. So on the lower time frames, we can be looking for a sell, and from this zone we can be looking for a buy. I'm gonna delete this, and I'm curious on a 4-hour time frame if we can place our Fibonacci levels, and I'm gonna show you our Fibonacci first. This is our Fibonacci, and we have only 3 levels between, and it's 0.382, 0.5 and 0.618, and we are the most of the time we are trading on 0.5 and 0.618, which is, and we will do it this way. We will mark it with a rectangle and then delete the Fibonacci's. So and I'm curious if we can confirm this zone by a Fibonacci. So let's go with the lowest swing low, and we will go higher. Let's go. So from this low to this high, and let's do it again from this low for this high, and from this low to this high. And you can see, if I zoom it out, there are the zones. So from 3 Fibonacci's we confirmed that the level is clear, and we are marked it up from the 3 Fibonacci's and delete those Fibonacci's. So on this level I'm gonna be looking for buy. But let's look on a lower time frame where we can sell this pair. Okay, this is a strong trend, strong downtrend. Well, the Monday will probably bring us a push up, and I want to see a retest on this level, because the Monday will probably shoot it higher from this way. But if we go lower, we are still waiting for this or this level to come back and sell on this line. So I'll be setting up my sell for now, and my stop loss will be around 30 pips in here, and we will go for a 1-to-5 risk ratio again, and we can again scale it up later for until we reach the buy zone, which is this one. And when the price will hit the buy zone, I'm gonna be taking profit from the short trades and looking for a price action on a buy. That's all from me for now, and I hope you guys know where to get in the market in the next week. This was my first video, so I will be glad if you put some feedback in comments or leave a like or subscribe. Also, you can join the Telegram, where we will be calling out those trades. Thank you for watching. Have a nice rest of the weekend. Bye.